Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video from GRAFIX. I'm George. Today I want to show you how to print on a pair of fleece shorts using an Epson 2100 DTG machine. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up to like this video. But let's head into our intro. Welcome back, YouTubers. So in today's video, we're going to be printing on a pair of fleece shorts, 80 by 20, which means 80% cotton and 20% polyester, using an Epson F2100 DTG and our Stahl's Hostronics Fusion to press on the shorts. Before we start, we got to ensure that our plans are set up. So here I have a 10 by 12 plan that I changed, and our Stahl's changeable patterns of 11 by 15 size. The reason why this is sideways is you want to make sure you put the shorts, remember, you can't touch it once it comes out of the DTG printer, but the shorts are set up to be pressed and all set for this print we're doing. Now, the particular print that we're going to be doing on this pair of fleece shorts is on the front about 11 inches wide, so it's going to cover a good portion of this. Okay, one thing I recommend to do before printing is test your plan, the height and the pressure. And if you're doing front print, you want to take out the pockets out of the shorts to ensure you get the pressure, the same pressure all around, if it's going to be a bigger size print. So everything is set up. We have our middle. We're going to check the pressure. We're at 5, 350, and about, I like to put about 40 seconds. Remember, it's not pre-treated, so therefore I'm just pressing it to get any wrinkles out and the fibers out. So on the 10 by 12 ply, I made sure to put a center line using a heat press tape, or you can use anything, Sharpie, whatever you want. So in this form, I definitely want to make sure that I'm catching my middle, using the middle to go out. You see the waistband and the inseam of the waistband, you want to put it over the ply. You want to use your hoop to ensure that the garment stays in place. And again, you could tug down if there's any fabric material that's kind of sticking out. And the printer will beep if it's of the height, depending if it's a little bit too high. So it can make a huge difference. One thing I also recommend is using a lint brush. Now, these are the first steps you want to do before printing onto the garment. So let's just test to make sure it goes in. If it doesn't beep, that's great. If it beeps, we got to make some adjustments. All right. So this is a good thing. You definitely want to test things out before you start printing. And I think it's just right here that I saw some adjustments needed. The goal is to get it to like the best position height. The higher the better. I'm not saying that the lower is bad. Perfect. So again, just because you hear a beep doesn't mean that you got to change the height of the platen, which is located right here at the bottom. It could be something that's sticking up. So right here we got the image set up, and our software, which is the Print Pro Direct to Garment, which you could get from All American Print Supply. So let's set up the platen. I already put the image already on the layout. So we already know that our plan is a 10 by 12 on a DTG machine. So let's change that. And we already know that the image is going to be 11 inches wide, right? So we're going to change it right here. Again, when you're looking at this, just picture yourself standing above here and the image is that way, okay? Because if you're looking at it straight, you're gonna think the image is on the left-hand side. It's actually on the opposite side. So again, picture yourself looking down at the image from this height, from this position, excuse me. So let's just put that to the top center. Oop. Right center, right there. So that's gonna be our print size area, okay? So let's go away, hit print. Okay, so the image got transferred over to the printer. So you always want to double check the screen to make sure it's the right image you're printing in the right size. So 10 by 12, Jiu-Jitsu Life. And let's go ahead and all right, so final print. Here we go. Jiu-Jitsu Life. Take the hoop off. You want to remove these again, opening up the elastic. You always want to be careful, especially if it's a smaller size. Bring it over to the press. You don't really have to hover it. So what I'm going to do is get ready to put. We're going to press it for the full 40 seconds. All right, now it's just fully pressed. Remove it. And again, stretch out the waistband. And there's your finished product using an Epson F2100 DTG on a pair of fleece 80/20 using a Stahl's Hotronic heat press. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our Graphics Bar channel. See you next time, guys.